Hi friend, today I'm sharing 10 awesome Lightroom shortcuts that are game changer for fast and consistent editing process. It will boost your productivity and transform your workflow. Throughout the video you will see shortcuts for both Mac and Windows users on screen so everyone can follow along. Let's dive right in. First up, holding Shift and clicking on the name of any adjustment slider applies Lightroom's automatic adjustment to that setting. It's a quick way to see what Lightroom suggests for your photo. Once applied, you can adjust it manually to find the sweet spot. Next, press G key to switch to grid view, displaying thumbnails of all your photos, and D key to switch to develop view, where you can edit your selected photo. It's a fast way to navigate between organizing your photos and editing. Press R key to activate the crop tool. Whether you need to straighten or resize your photo, this shortcut has you covered. Press on R key again and return to original develop screen. Q key activates the spot removal tool, perfect for getting rid of dust, spots, blemishes, or any unwanted objects in your photo. It's a real lifesaver for clean, polished images, allowing you to switch in and out of the tool that quickly saves some time. Before we move on to the next shortcut, I want to quickly share that I have some free Lightroom presets available on my Patreon page. They are awesome for portrait photography, but also work with landscape and lifestyle shots as well. Head to the link in the description if you're interested. I think you will love it. F key activates full screen, but did you know that Shift plus F key switches Lightroom to full screen with menu bar or full screen mode? This gives you a larger workspace for editing. Command plus / displays a library of keyboard shortcuts within Lightroom Classic. It's an excellent way to freshen up your knowledge on the shortcuts available. Hey, if you're finding these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Your support would be awesome, it would allow the channel to grow. Thanks a million. Pressing the / key toggles between the original and edited versions of your photo. This is great for comparing your adjustments to the starting point. If you want to quickly save a snapshot of your current adjustments, hit Command plus N key and give it a name. This way you have a way to save a reference point before making any minor adjustments. You can switch between them before deciding on the final result. Press V key to convert your selected photo to black and white instantly. It's a quick way to see if the image looks great as black and white. Press R key to enable the crop tool and Command plus Option plus R key to reset the crop, bringing it back to its original framing. Super useful if you want to start over with your cropping. Lastly, Command plus Shift plus R key resets all the settings and adjustments made to the selected photo, returning it to its original state. A real time saver if you need to start fresh. There's more than 10 shortcuts here, but hey, it's better to under-promise and over-deliver, I guess. I hope you found these shortcuts as game-changing as I do. Do you have any Lightroom shortcuts that you love and you would like to share them? Please drop them in the comments below and share the knowledge with everyone. Until next time, happy editing!